So while driving from Ballarat going to Colac in Victoria, I have my sister here driving with me, and she is in the car. She doesn't want to come out because of the sunlight. So I decided to stop because I found this windmill in here. I have noticed that there is a manufacturing company in here making this windmill. There's a lot of windmill here. So there. And I will show you the manufacturing company. This is across the road. Too many in there. This is where we got the electricity. So across this windmill, there are something in there. I think they're ready to put. Oh, these are the additional windmill. They're still lying down on the ground. So probably in I don't know how many months or weeks they have to build that. There's a lot in there, but it's a bit hard to see because I'm across the road, which is a bit farther. So this is the manufacturing company. There. The sunlight, she doesn't want to be dark, she said, because she's going back to the Philippines in another few months. This is very new to me to know that we have a manufacturing company of windmill here in Victoria. I never seen this before. Okay, so yeah, okay, all right, that's my vlog for today. I'll see you soon. I'm gonna drive again. Bye.